Hi, I'm Adventure Glad, and if you don't watch my channel, you probably don't know that I like to ride motorcycles. A lot. If you don't believe me, hit the subscribe button and have a look around. I'm making this video today because I want to tell you about the #1 best and most unique gift for the motorcycle rider in your life. This is not a list of 5 or 10 or 15 or 25 ideas. This is it, and it doesn't even matter what type of bike they ride. With this one gift, I give you the Adventure Glide guarantee. Every time your loved one starts up their motorcycle, they will think about the badass gift you got them. Now let me show you something. Now you're probably gonna be surprised when I tell you. That's it right there. That's it. This is it. The #1 gift. Now tell me this, does your loved one have a cell phone with a touch screen on it? Do they like to listen to music while they ride? Do they like to be able to stop at a stoplight and answer a quick text message? This is it right here. It says, instantly connect to your touchscreen device without the hassle of removing your gloves. These right here work on any pair of gloves, unless the motorcycle rider in your life is wearing fingerless gloves. But we won't talk about fingerless gloves, not in this video. These are the glove tacks, and they just stick on the end of your glove. And I don't know how many pairs of gloves that your loved ones probably bought. Me being a motorcycle rider myself, I know that I've purchased a few motorcycle gloves, and they all say they work on the touchscreen. Reacts gloves, Tour Master gloves, Climb gloves, Winter gloves, more Climb gloves, Harley Davidson gloves, more Climb gloves, some other Harley glove, another Climb glove. Maybe the motorcycle rider in your life is a mechanic, or they just like dressing up like one, and they like to wear mechanic gloves out on their ride. If they're anything like me, they probably have a few pairs of gloves, and every one of them say they got this little tip and they work on a touchscreen. And sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Here's some Climb gloves. Do these work? They say they work on a touchscreen. Maybe they just don't work with iPhones. Harley gloves, special fingertip, sewn in to work on a touchscreen. Well, those ones don't. These ones don't have anything fancy in the tip. These ones don't. Yeah. Well, maybe it's only in the right-hand glove of the Harley glove. Nope. Oh, you just got a message from work and you just need a quick response. Not with those gloves. Maybe with these gloves. These are the Climb Winter gloves. They should work. Nope. Not with those gloves. Now wait, the Tour Masters, they said they work with a touchscreen. But let me assure you they didn't until I made this one simple modification. It's a glove tack. Can you see it on here? It's called the glove tack. You can just barely see it on there. It's just like a little piece of super thin black electrical tape. So we'll go ahead and throw this glove on. We'll test it out. So let's say, you get home from the house. Say you want to open the garage door. You can just open the garage door, even while the phone's still mounted to your bike. Let's try it on these. Do the glove tacks work on these? These have been on here about a year. Trying to get the best focus angle so you could see. These ones are getting a little tore up. They're a little frayed up here, sticking out over there. Yeah, after a year, these are probably not going to work. Well, I don't really want to open the garage door, but maybe I want to turn the heater up a couple degrees. Oh, looks like I just got home and my alarm was set. Let's go ahead and set the alarm. Or maybe I just got home and I want to unset the alarm. These are glove tacks. Wait a minute, let's go to YouTube Music. I just want to listen to music. Oh, look at that, Christmas music. Maybe you're not into Christmas music. So, having glove tacks, I put them on both gloves. I think maybe some people just put it on one finger, but sometimes, I like to use both hands. And there's nothing better than coming to a stop and being able to control your phone. And they work really good, and they're super easy to put on. And this will probably be the cheapest motorcycle gift you buy for anybody in your lifetime. These are on Revzilla for $14.99. You get 3 sets of them, or 6 fingers, so you can replace them if they wear out. You peel this little strip off and you stick it right to the end of your glove. It's that simple. Even if they're ridged, I just dug it in there with my finger just to make sure it's pushed in all the way. Simple as that. So, if your loved one rides motorcycles and they have a cell phone, this is the #1 gift. Get them glove tacks. $14.99. Link in the description. Hi, I'm Adventure Glide. And if you don't watch my channel, you probably don't know that I like to ride motorcycles a lot.